Mike, that's right. Tonight we spoke to 3 people who have family members living in India right now. And these guys, they are working to send aid to help the country in the middle of a COVID-19 emergency.
It's distressing, to sort of see these things happening.
Members of the Indian community in Pittsburgh call the COVID-19 crisis in India a dire situation.
I think the situation is really, really bad on the ground.
The country reported 402,000 cases of COVID-19 on Saturday, the highest number of new infections in a single day since the start of the pandemic. Tuesday, the United States will restrict travel from India as the pandemic continues to surge there. Priyank Lotwal, a Carnegie Mellon grad student, has parents who live in New Delhi and family friends who have died from the virus.
I grew up knowing these people for the last 30 years, and just to know that the next time I'm in India, I might not see them, it's horrible.
Friday, the U.S. sent a shipment of coronavirus aid to India.
These are absolutely most essential things. These are going to keep lives alive.
Dr. Ravi Kohli works as a psychiatrist in Pittsburgh. In India, his 86-year-old mother lives in an area with high cases. Last week, Kohli says his group, the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, met with the Indian Embassy in D.C. to offer telesupport for medical workers in India and a shipment of much-needed medical supplies.
We cannot stand by and watch this happening.
This is a picture of Chitratan Singh and his family in Punjab from 2016. Singh serves as an executive committee member at Pittsburgh Sikh Gurdwara in Monroeville. The images coming out of a country where he has loved ones, he says, is heartbreaking.
Seeing what's happening, hearing loved ones impacted, seeing what the country overall is going through.
Now, each of the people that we spoke to tonight, they are raising funds to send aid to India. And you can log on to WTAE.com right now to find out how you can help. Reporting live, Kylie Walker, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.
Kylie.